Why are you giving us this thali? I never order aloo fry. Oh, I have been to Darjeeling, I've been to Guwahati, but Manipur I haven't been.
Okay, Manipur, yeah, you should try come next
Nice,
time.
Okay.
I will also try to come to Malaysia.
Yeah, please come after I give you my phone number.
See the piece of the mutton. It's very soft and tender.
What is the name of channel?
Small Ice Indian.
Hello.
Good morning from Kolkata. I'm not sure, like my mind is not working at this moment. Like I'm not able to plan out, I'm not able to think about making a video here. Like I'm really confused what kind of video I should make. I really don't know, and I kind of feel a little sick as well. I'm not sure. I kind of get some fever yesterday at night, and it's very noisy here. Hello.
What is the name of channel?
Small Ice Indian.
It's all like Indian.
Yeah.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so I just about the ORS. Today, like what I'm gonna do is I found a restaurant. Its name is Koche Kosa Hati Bagan. So I'm turning the maps on, and it's like 30 minutes walk from here. So I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna the yellow taxi of Kolkata. I'm gonna have lunch and I will take rest for the day. Yeah, let's see, let's find out. I've been trying to eat the proper Bengali food. Namaste. Proper Bengali food. So let's hope I can get it in that restaurant. Let's go. I was walking all the way here, and I found out that I should walk above that bridge. So my mind is not functioning because I'm thinking that I've been to these hilly areas, like the remote areas, peaceful areas, and coming back here in the city with the noise and all the honkings. Huh? I'm not sure like what he is saying. Maybe because of that my mind is not functioning. Maybe I took some rest today, and I'll think about what kind of contents I should make here in Kolkata. Let's go and let's head to the restaurant. And the reason why I choose to walk is because I want to feel the vibe. I want to understand things around the city. It's gonna be like 30 minutes walk from here. There's a railway track, a huge number of railway tracks. I'm not sure whether the station is nearby. Okay, I think there is a nearby train station. I'm not sure the name of the train station. Alright, okay. There is a big railway station. I am building up the vibe of Kolkata. I'm not able to feel it since I came here. Let's see if I could feel it today after having some tasty Bengali food. One thing I noticed here in Kolkata is that the buses, they are very colorful. They painted in a very colorful way, and a lot of advertisements are also there. And yeah, I'm gonna get onto this yellow taxi, one of the yellow taxi, and explore Kolkata. Maybe today, later in the evening, or maybe tomorrow. Let's see, because Kolkata is famous for the yellow taxi. And I'm not sure, like there used to be trams around the city, but I am not sure if they are functioning at this moment. They say that some of them are all discontinued because of the traffic situation in the city. So let's see, let's figure out, like if there is any place where I can get tram. I think I can also get one and take a tour in the city. All right, let's take like where I should go. Straight. Okay, straight. Okay, straight. Okay, and the traffic situation is pretty bad over here. A lot of traffic jam, guys. After walking for like 15 minutes, this is where I reached. I'm gonna go over there and first I need to cross the road like this and then go there. Let's see. It's very chaotic over here, the horns and all. Alright, the buses went away, and let's see if we can cross now. The traffic signal over there, it says we need to stop, or maybe I think I should cross like this and wait for these vehicles to pass away and I cross the road. Okay, see, there are tracks for trams, but they are not working here anymore. Let's find out where Kolkata trams are functioning, and let's see if we could get on one of them. Okay, I think I'm on the right way, and it is saying like I have to walk 14 more minutes. Yeah, it's very chaotic here. The sound of the horns, the city noise pollution, I will say, like in Delhi. It's been a long time that I haven't been to this kind of major city where this loud noise from everywhere. Man, my mind feels chaotic. But let's see, let's try to build up the vibe over here, and I will try my best to express what I feel about this place after I eat the food. Okay, this is some kind of cloth market over here. It's cool over here. I think there is a restaurant, Kose Kosa. Let's cross the road. Okay, that is the restaurant, Kose Kosa. I should come from the front. So this is the one, Bengali cuisine at its best. Let's try open and get inside. नमस्ते, बंगाली थाली मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे? हाँ, बंगाली थाली मिल जाएगा. Okay. Alright, it's a interesting restaurant with the decorations and all. Okay, they have some cut out from the newspaper. Kolkata is talking about Kose Kosa partly. Okay, it took like 32 minutes to reach here. Some bamboo baskets as a decoration. Okay, interesting. Let's have the Bengali thali. I think it will be better if I sit over here. Okay, or maybe here. This is better. Corner one with some nice decoration. This is the menu, guys. Let's see, these are the starter ones. What about? भैया आपके पास कॉफ़ी है? कॉफ़ी नहीं है? Okay. Okay, okay. So what should I do? What is the थाली? क्योंकि बंगाली में फिश फेमस होता है, तो
बंगाली में फिश फेमस होता है,
तो इसलिए हाँ, चलो ठीक है, एक कतला कालिया दे दो. कतला कालिया,
एक कतला कालिया था.
एक कतला कालिया थाली. और हाँ, म्यूजिक जो गाना एक बार थोड़ा बंद कीजिए. Okay, let's take one Katla Kalia. Katla Kalia. Okay, this is the one. This is the one that I'm going to eat, guys. Katla Kalia. Thing is that Bengal is famous for fish, so it's gonna be interesting if I try fish curry here, the famous one, Katla. Okay, but they have a lot of items. They have a lot of items, guys. What is this? This one is fish. They have a lot of items on fish. One piece, two piece, one piece, two piece. And And one thing is that I don't feel good. I mean, I kind of feel a little sick. कितना time लगे बे?
टाइम
हाँ।
10 मिनट.
Okay, okay. Okay, this is the kitchen. Okay, and I'm not feeling well. I mean, I kind of feel a little feverish. So what I'm thinking is, after this, I will get a cab, and then I will go to the room. Before that, I will buy some medicines, maybe some paracetamol, and then I will take rest for the day. I think that's gonna be better, because if I take rest today, maybe I could get up tomorrow, and I have 2 more days left here to explore Kolkata. So it's gonna be better if I take rest today. I will take some medicines, and yeah, let's see. Let's have the thali, and let's go to the room, take some medicine, and take rest. So uncle, ये रेस्टोरेंट कितना साल हो गया? ये रेस्टोरेंट कितना साल हो गया?
ये आपका 19 साल.
हाँ,
19 साल.
19 मतलब 29 years. 19 years. ओके, बहुत फेमस है ना, क्योंकि न्यूज़पेपर का वो मैं देख रहा हूँ, क्लासिक बंगाल डेलिकेट्स एट द न्यू आउटलेट ऑफ कोसे कोसा. कोसे कोसा का मतलब क्या होता है हिंदी में?
हिंदी में जो आपका जो मटन कसा होता है,
हाँ,
वही कलकत्ता का जो मोस्ट फेमस डिश है बंगाली लोगों का, मटन कसा.
मटन कसा.
हाँ
हाँ,
तो वो वही से हमारा नाम आया है.
ओके.
जो ब्लैक कलर का ग्रेवी होता है.
ओके.
अब
मेनू में कौन सा है?
हाँ, एक मिनट
देखते हैं.
ये जो है मटन कसा, इससे नाम
मटन
आया है.
कसा.
हाँ,
ओके,
कोसा.
ये एक दे दो, एक ओ पोर्शन.
1 portion, 3 piece.
3 पीस हाँ चलेगा. 1 पोर्शन में 3 पीस आता है. ठीक है, दे दो, क्योंकि यहाँ का फेमस.
3 piece भी आता है, 4 piece भी आता है. बोलिए 3 piece दे दे.
मतलब
ये जो है
हाँ
385 3
हाँ,
piece
हाँ.
और 4 piece 505.
3 पीस दे दो, 3 पीस दे दो.
ठीक है.
ओके, ये रेस्टोरेंट थोड़ा फेमस, बहुत फेमस है, थोड़ा नहीं बहुत. You can see the decorations here. These are the representation of Bengali dress, cultures and tradition. Okay, they have a huge hand fan over here. Okay, small one as well. Okay, see the decorations here also. It's a nice restaurant. Let's wait for the food and let's see how it comes out. It's gonna be great, I believe. Okay, here comes the food from this little window, and that is the kitchen where the magic happens. Okay, what is this? Interesting. Some papad. Okay, nice delivery. Kitchen से यहाँ तक. Okay, that is dal, है ना?
हाँ.
Dal. I just washed my hand, guys. And this is some vegetables, mixed vegetables. Okay, mixed vegetables soup. This is fish. Katla kalia. Katla kali. Okay, this is what?
Rasgulla.
Rasgulla. Okay. This is
mango chutney.
mango chutney. Okay. So this is some salad, and this is kose.
कोसा का सिग्नेचर डिश कोसा मांगशो.
Kosa mangso. Kosa mangso. Okay, alright guys, this is the food. Let's change the angle and let's start eating. Alright, I have turned the screen over here so that I can see myself with the food, and I can adjust the angle so that you guys can have a proper and a nice shot. Okay, this is perfect. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, here is the spoon, and I'm confused like from where I should say. सबसे शुरू के कहाँ से करना है? आपको क्या सजेस्ट करोगे?
शुक्तो से।
यहाँ से?
हाँ।
Mix vegetable से?
हाँ।
ऐसा next by next ऐसा करके?
हाँ।
Okay, alright. This is the first item that I'm gonna try. और भैया ये क्या है?
वो झुरी आलू भाजा है। और दाल के साथ अच्छा है।
दाल के साथ अच्छा है, मतलब आलू फ्राई. Okay, let's try the mixed vegetables. Here, this is brinjal and this is bitter gourd. ये है ना वो क्या नाम है हिंदी में? समझ
हिंदी में आपको करोला बोलता है।
करोला, हाँ करोला, करेला और करोला. Okay, let's try the mixed veg first. Let's see, guys. Bengali thali first time. Nice, very fresh. ये drumstick. ये ऐसा खा के ऐसे कटाया बाहर लगता है, बाहर.
हाँ, बाहर आपको रखना पड़ेगा। बंगाली में बहुत पॉपुलर डिश होता है
सूप, ये वाला.
हाँ, मिक्स वेज होता है।
A little sweet भी है, थोड़ा सा स्वीट भी है इसमें, salty भी है, थोड़ा सा स्वीट भी है. Nice guys, I like this one. And let's try the dal, the universal dal. Let's see if it tastes different here. It tastes different, very smooth. कौन सा दाल है? सोना मूंग दाल. Okay, it is tasty, guys. Let's try the fish. Okay, some gravy and some part of the fish. Okay, this is katla fish. Katla है ना? Okay, guys, I'm eating fish in West Bengal. West Bengal is very famous for fish. Okay. Tasty. I like the smell. The smell is so good, guys. ये फिश पहले फ्राई करता है या ऐसा ही डालता है?
नहीं, पहले फ्राई करा गया, उसके बाद आपको
वो जो ग्रेवी, हाँ.
डाला गया।
Yeah, the smell is so good. The smell is so good, guys. It's very tasty. See, this is the piece of the fish. Okay, let's try this one. This aloo.
झुरी आलू भाजा।
झुरी
आलू फ्राई।
Aloo fry. Okay. Yeah, nice. Soft. Not crunchy. I was thinking that it will be crunchy, but it's not. But yeah, okay. Let's try the signature dish. What is this? This is mutton. Okay. क्या नाम था ये? भूल गया फिर से.
मटन कसा।
मटन कोसा मांसो. Okay. Mutton, guys, it's dark in color. Let's see. Meat बहुत सही है. Tender, soft. It's very tender. It's soft. It tastes so good, guys. अच्छा, ये रेस्टोरेंट ये सिग्नेचर डिश के बाद आया था इस रेस्टोरेंट का नाम?
हाँ, पहले ये आया था, उसके बाद रेस्टोरेंट आया था।
पहले ये आया था, उसके बाद रेस्टोरेंट आया था।
हाँ।
इसका नाम लेके रेस्टोरेंट
हाँ।
बना दिया।
हाँ।
फेमस हो गया।
पहले ये ये वाला डिश फेमस था, उसके बाद इसके नाम से रेस्टोरेंट आया था। ये वाला डिश आपका सैम बाजार में एक रेस्टोरेंट मिल जाएगा, गोलबाड़ी नाम करके। वहाँ पर ये वाला डिश सबसे पहले फेमस था। तो वहाँ का जो शेफ था वही हमारे कोसे कोसा में आके ये वाला डिश बनाया, तो यही से ही कोसे कोसा नाम आया।
अच्छा, so guys, that is the story, and you should try this one. This is the signature dish. I was about to miss it if I did not ask the meaning of the name of this restaurant. I might have missed this signature food. Alright, ये तो बाद में करना है।
हाँ,
लास्ट में some onion. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys here and I will do the eating talks. Thank you भैया explain करने के लिए। So the piece of the fish is also big. It has some bone, but you know I'm an expert in eating. मैं expert हूँ fish खाने में। बहुत खाता हूँ fish।
बंगाल में फिश ही ज़्यादा फेमस है।
See, this is the fish sangkop meat, sangkop fish meat.
बंगाली मतलब फिश और भात।
And this is the mutton. Okay. Nice, perfect. Guys, it's a lot of food, but I will try my best to finish all of them. And I'm gonna take rest for the day. भैया, यहाँ पे कोलकाता में मेरे को क्या क्या करना चाहिए, कहाँ कहाँ पे जाना चाहिए? मेरा दिमाग मतलब समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करूँ।
हाँ, तो आप कलकत्ता में आए हो, पहले जो कलकत्ता का जो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, सबसे पुराना वाला जो चीज़ है, पहले ट्राम से चल के आप उधर से आप विक्टोरिया घूमिए। ट्राम कहाँ से मिलेगा?
वो
हमारे दुकान के सामने से। हाँ,
अभी भी चलता है?
तो हाँ, सैम बाजार में आप जाइए, वो भी बहुत पुराना है।
कौन सा बाजार? सैम बाजार।
हाँ। वहीं से आपका ट्राम मिल जाएगा, वहीं पर ही आपका ट्राम डिपो है। वहीं से आपको अब वहाँ से पूरा ट्राम पकड़ के आप विक्टोरिया जा सकते हो।
ट्राम पकड़ के विक्टोरिया?
हाँ।
ओके।
ट्राम भी बहुत पुराना, अभी कहीं भी नहीं चलता है ट्राम, सिर्फ इस रूट पे ही चलता है।
इस रूट पे ही चलता है?
हाँ।
ओके। और न्यू मार्केट कैसा है?
न्यू मार्केट अच्छा है, जो आपको जो नया चीज के लिए वो वहाँ पर कम दाम में ही मिलता है और अच्छा चीज, अच्छा क्वालिटी वाला ही चीज मिलता है।
बच्चों का टॉयज मिलेगा ना?
हाँ,
बच्चों का खिलौना?
हाँ, सब कुछ
न्यू मार्केट में?
हाँ, सब कुछ मिलता है। और न्यू मार्केट उसी वजह से ही फेमस है।
ओके।
अब कलकत्ता में आपको बहुत सारा, कलकत्ता में आओगे तो बहुत सारा घूमने का जगह है।
मैं तो आज सुबह उठ के मैं समझ में नहीं आया था क्या करूँ मैं यहाँ पे, तो मैंने रिसर्च भी इतना नहीं किया था, तो ऐसे मैंने फ़ोन खोल के मैंने बंगाली थाली सर्च किया, आपका रेस्टोरेंट का नाम आया, तो रिव्यू देके यहाँ पे आ गया। ठीक है, 2 दिन है और ट्राम पकड़ के विक्टोरिया,
उसके बाद आप धर्मतला चले जाइए, वही भी बहुत सारा घूमने का जगह है। प्रिंसेस घाट है, और भी बहुत सारे मेमोरी। अब एक बार YouTube पे सर्च करके आप एक बार देख लीजिएगा, वो जो विक्टोरिया, प्रिंसेस घाट, ये सब नंबर 1 फेमस स्पॉट है।
ओके।
और आपको जो ट्राम का जो मैंने हिस्ट्री जो बोला है, जो येलो वाला टैक्सी है, उससे भी पहले का है ट्राम।
Okay, so the yellow wala taxi in yellow taxi in Kolkata came after the tram. So I'm gonna catch a tram tomorrow, and then I will go to Victoria Memorial, and then I will try to
Lunch? What do you have?
I'll try to visit the new market and maybe do some shopping. I need a bag. When I go home, you know, these airport authorities, they're gonna ask like, hey, your bag is too heavy, it should be in the luggage. So I'm gonna get a bag where I can put my tablet and laptop, and I can throw my bigger bag in the luggage compartment. So yeah, let's do those things tomorrow. Today, let's go to the room and take rest. Man, the portion of the food is huge. I'm trying to finish this mutton first, and then I'm gonna finish the fish. Let's see. See the piece of the mutton. It's very soft and tender, guys.
Ali. Ali.
The satisfaction you get from the meat is something else, guys. This is the bone. Okay, guys.
This one? This one?
See how big the piece of the fish is. Oh my god, guys.
The meat one.
One Ilsa.
You have?
थोड़ा चावल दे दो.
Bring food first.
चावल थोड़ा.
Chawal.
ज़्यादा नहीं थोड़ा. ज़्यादा नहीं थोड़ा. Okay, see. The bone of the fish should go here, not in my stomach, guys.
One is
Oh, thali lah. Elisha Bhajan.
Okay, okay.
Oh yeah. Telling you, what is this?
This is mixed vegetable. I'm not sure the name.
Oh, okay.
It's a thali. They're also confused about the food. Like, what is this?
So you haven't tried this vegetable yet?
I have already tried.
What vegetable is it?
So it's mixed. Some beans. I can see some. What is it? Squash or something like that.
Oh,
Papaya. Okay, papaya.
drumstick.
Oh. You have a different vegetable lah. Now, if I don't
Where-
want this, you can have a different vegetable. What other vegetable? Ask
अलग है थोड़ा.
What
मतलब
is this?
दूसरा वेजिटेबल्स है आपके पास.
दूसरा मोचा है जो बनाना फ्लावर होता है उससे बना है
I don't want this papaya. Something else has sugar. Can we change this here? This one.
मतलब इस थाली में ना ये वाला चेंज करना है मैडम को.
banana flower
Banana flour and
and फूलगोभी
फूलगोभी cauliflower.
Okay, okay.
वो ट्राई कर सकते
Banana
हैं.
flour.
Where are you from?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Okay. Oh my god. So you wanna try?
Now this is, can I try this?
Yeah, you can try. A little sweet, but you can try the papaya. You know.
What's papaya?
This one is papaya.
Okay,
I
lah,
think.
okay, lah, take this. Okay.
You will take this. Okay, yeah, you should try. It's interesting.
Okay.
This is also my first time, but this fish is also is very tasty.
Oh,
And you eat mutton.
yeah, this is Elisa fish, is it?
This one is Elisa or Katla. This is
इल्सा आपका जो मछली का राजा होता है सबसे ज्यादा टेस्ट होता है इल्सा में
इल्सा में।
सबसे ज्यादा बोन होता है इल्सा में
अच्छा ये तो वो हो गया कतला.
हाँ ये
This is Katla, not
But
Elisa.
he's giving me
ये आपका मीठा पानी का मछली है और वो
Okay.
आपका जो सी में मिलता है जो मछली इल्सा वो वहाँ का मछली है और ये आपका मीठा पानी का मछली है
Okay.
और वो नमक
He's
का जो पानी
giving me Elisa
होता
fish
है
or no? Because in the
Elisa fish दे रहा है या नहीं? हाँ दे रहा है. Yes, he is giving Elisa fish.
The Elisa fish is famous in,
Yes,
in Bangladesh. And
Bangladesh, yeah. Even in Manipur also, Elisa
Yes.
fish is famous.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should try.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Thank you.
yeah, it's okay. Okay. So how long have you been staying in Kolkata? Like how many
we
days?
came yesterday.
You came yesterday also.
Today we
Same.
went to Dakshineshwar temple,
Okay.
Ramakrishna Mall. We went to Dakshineshwar temple.
Okay,
And,
yeah.
this one.
Okay.
Belur Mall.
I also came yesterday morning only.
So where are you going today?
Today I have no plan. I will have this food and then I will go back to my room and take
Where
rest
did you
today. I forgot the name. I know the hotel name. I searched on the Google Maps and go.
Oh.
I'm not sure about the name of the place.
How did you come here?
By walk.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
But when I go back, I will go by a cab. Like you know, I was like I want to feel the vibe of the city.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why I choose to walk here.
Where do you work?
Huh?
Where do you work as? Why did you come here?
Okay. Oh, so I came here for making videos and traveling. I started it from Assam and then went to Darjeeling, Sikkim, and now here.
Oh, I have been to Darjeeling. I have been to Guwahati.
Guwahati. Okay. I was there also.
But Manipur I haven't been.
Okay, Manipur. Yeah, you should try come next time.
Nice, huh? Okay.
I will also try to come to Malaysia.
Yeah, please come. After I give you my phone number.
Yeah. I can get your phone number. Yeah.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Dana.
Rana.
Then
Okay.
Dana. Dana.
Dana. Dana. Dana. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I will take your number after I finish the food. Okay. Okay. All right. Interesting, guys. But I did not expect that I will meet someone from Malaysia here in this famous Bengali restaurant, Kose Kosa.
This is not available.
Let's try and wrap this up, guys. I'm not having that much appetite because I'm not feeling well. If not, then I could have finished all of this very clean. Now I'm gonna try this. ये रसगुल्ला है ना अंकल? ये रसगुल्ला. Rasgulla. Okay, let's try the rasgulla.
Kolkata का most famous dessert. Malanguda rasgulla.
Nice. Sweet, but not that much. Perfect. Nice. I'm thinking of trying this one, whether I should try it or not. Maybe I try a little bit because मेरे को थोड़ा fever भी आ रहा है इस वजह से. Okay, I will try a little bit. Mango chutney. Nice. लेकिन अभी तो मैंगो का सीजन नहीं है, तो कहाँ से लेके आए मैंगो?
नहीं तो पैसे देंगे तो सब कुछ आएगा. सच बात यही है. जो होटल रेस्टोरेंट लाइन में आपका ऐसा नहीं होता है, पर जो स्टोर करके जो चीजें रखा होता है वहीं से आपका आता है. बाजार में जाके देखो, जो चीज जिसको चाहिए वो ढंग ठीक से ढूंढेंगे तो जरूर मिलता है. और जिसको चाहिए वही उसको ही पता है वो कहाँ पर मिलेगा.
सही है. So yeah, it's winter and I wonder how this mango came here. But yeah, आप सही कह रहे हैं. Okay, done. I'm gonna leave this like this. बहुत खाया मैंने. Okay guys, let's wash my hand. They provide mouth freshener as well, like in this small packet, guys. Let's see.
This phone and QR code.
This is the toothpick.
This Wi-Fi QR code.
I think this is the perfect portion. Alright, let's put it inside my mouth. Nice. Let's pay for the food. Okay. Here's my water bottle. It's time to pay. कितना हुआ मेरा?
तो वो है 941.
941. Okay.
Rupees 941 received on phone pay.
Okay, madam. Yeah.
Wait, this is not the thali. We want your thali.
Huh?
Why are you giving us this thali?
Oh, food will come. It's not complete yet. It will come. It's coming on the way.
Starter.
No, not starter. The food is coming on the way.
This one?
This one is aloo fry.
I never order aloo fry.
I had it. You can try.
You are giving, huh?
ये सब कुछ आपका थाली के अंदर ही आता है.
So everything is inside the thali.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So you are getting aloo fry, brinjal fry, papad,
okay.
some puri, and then this is the mixed vegetable, and this is what is this?
Banana flower.
Banana flour and.
This is banana flower.
No. This is brinjal.
Where is the banana flower?
This one.
Oh.
Banana flour and cabbage mixed up.
Okay.
And this is Dal, you know dal.
Okay.
This
This is
mutton
the
ka
mutton
salad, signature
salad.
Okay.
Signature dish.
Thank you. Thank you. What's your name?
Thongamba.
Take my number.
Yeah, I will. Let's see. I'm gonna go to Malaysia and okay. Let's see. Let's take the number. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. See you. Okay, bro. Bye. Yeah. All right. Okay. I should push. हाँ पानी हाँ. Okay, I think it's the cab calling me. Hello. आप कहाँ पे हो? पेट्रोल पंप. एक मिनट मैं देखता हूँ पेट्रोल पंप कहाँ पे है. अच्छा हाँ ठीक है. So guys, let's go to the room. Let's take some medicine and let's try to take rest for the day and let's explore Kolkata tomorrow. Alright, see you next time.